Human reproductive system. The capacity to reproduce is one of the most important characteristics of living beings. There is a distinct sexual dimorphism in human beings, that is, males are visibly different from females in physical buildup, external genital organs, and secondary sexual characters. The reproductive systems of male and female consist of many organs, which are distinguished as primary and secondary sex organs. The primary sex organs are gonads, which produce gametes, sex cells, and secrete sex hormones. The secondary sex organs include the genital duct and glands, which help in the transportation of gametes and enable the reproductive process. Next, male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system consists of testes, primary sex organs, scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, penis, and accessory glands. Testes. A pair of testes lies outside the abdominal cavity of the male. These testes are the male gonads, which produce male gametes, sperms, and male sex hormone, testosterone. Along the inner side of each testis lies a mass of coiled tubules called epididymis. Scrotum. The scrotum is a loose pouch-like sac of skin which is divided internally into right and left scrotal sacs by muscular partition. The two testes lie in the respective scrotal sacs. Vas deferens. It is a straight tube which carries the sperms to the seminal vesicles. The vas deferens, along with the seminal vesicles, opens into ejaculatory duct, which expels the sperm and its secretions from seminal vesicles into the urethra. Urethra, it is contained inside the penis and conveys the sperms from the vas deferens, which passes through the urethral opening. The accessory glands associated with the male reproductive system consist of seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and Cowper's glands. The secretions of these glands form seminal fluid and mixes with the sperm to form semen. This fluid provides nutrition and helps in the transport of sperms. Next one, female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of ovaries, primary sex organs, oviduct, uterus, and vagina. Ovaries, a pair of almond-shaped ovaries is located in the lower part of the abdominal cavity, near the kidneys in female. The ovaries are the female gonads, which produce female gametes, egg or ova, and secrete female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. A mature ovary contains a large number of ova in different stages of development. Fallopian tube or oviduct. These are paired tubes originating from uterus, one on either side. The terminal part of the fallopian tube is funnel-shaped with finger-like projections called fimbriae, lying near the ovary. The fimbriae picked up the ovum released from ovary and push it into the fallopian tube. Uterus. Uterus is a pear-shaped muscular hollow structure present in the pelvic cavity. It lies between urinary bladder and rectum. Development of fetus occurs inside the uterus. The narrower lower part of uterus is called cervix, which leads into vagina. Vagina. The uterus narrows down into a hollow muscular tube called vagina. It connects cervix and the external genitalia. It receives the sperms, acts as birth canal during childbirth.